Class 6. Chapter 23. Direct and Indirect Speech. You are at school where your teacher says to you, I want to meet your parents. When you come home, you can say to your parents about your teacher's wish to meet them in the following two ways. Direct speech. Teacher said, I want to meet your parents. Indirect speech. Teacher said that she wanted to meet my parents. In the direct speech, the actual words spoken by a person, with no change in them, are conveyed to another person. In the indirect speech, the actual words spoken by a person are slightly changed while conveying them to another person. Look closely, the verb and pronouns are changed. Understanding direct and indirect speech differences. Direct speech. The actual words uttered by a person, with no change, are quoted. Hence, the exact words of the speaker are enclosed in quotation marks or inverted commas. In the sentence, a comma is also added after the word said that introduces the spoken words. Amrish said, I have brought a book for you. In direct speech, the actual words of the speaker are slightly changed. This is because the actual words were spoken by the speaker in the past time. But now you are speaking these words in the present time. Hence, the verb, or tense, of the spoken words is changed. Similarly, when the speaker was speaking these words, he/she was addressing you directly. But now you are addressing another person. So, the pronouns of the sentence are changed. Amrish said that he had brought a book for me. Indirect speech is also called reported speech. Basic rules for indirect speech. The words of the speaker are not enclosed in quotation marks in the indirect speech. Hence, while converting direct speech into indirect speech, the quotation marks are removed. Direct speech. He said, I need your help. Indirect speech. He said that he needed my help. In the table below, we'll look at the way sentences in various tenses are changed in the reported speech. Direct speech. Verb change. Indirect speech. I live in Imphal. Direct speech. Simple present tense changes to simple past tense. Verb change. He said he lived in Imphal. Indirect speech. I was a carpenter. Direct speech. Simple past tense changes to past perfect tense. Verb change. He said that he had been a carpenter. Indirect speech. He is writing a letter. Direct speech. Present continuous tense changes to past continuous tense. Verb change. He said that she had been sleeping. Indirect speech. I have been to Paris 4 times. Direct speech. Present perfect tense changes to past perfect tense. Verb change. She said that she had been to Paris 4 times. Indirect speech. In the table below, we'll look at the way sentences in various tenses are changed. Note, if the reporting verb, first part, of the sentence is in the present or future tense, the tense of the reported speech is not changed while converting direct speech into indirect speech. Direct speech. He says, she is a good doctor. Indirect speech. He says that she is a good doctor. Tense not changed. Change in pronoun in indirect speech. Direct speech. Indirect speech. He said, I will buy a camera. Direct speech. He said that he would buy a camera. Indirect speech. She said, I work in a hospital. Direct speech. She said that she worked in a hospital. Indirect speech. They said, we have won a prize. Direct speech. They said that they had won a prize. Indirect speech. He said, I like the music. Direct speech. He said that he liked the music. Indirect speech. She said, I am eating an apple. Direct speech. She said that she was eating an apple. Indirect speech. He said, my teacher is unwell. Direct speech. He said that his teacher was unwell. Indirect speech. The present tense is not changed to the past tense if the direct speech expresses a universal truth, a proverb, or a permanent habit. Hema said, God is great. Hema said that God is great. Dad said, honesty is the best policy. Dad said that honesty is the best policy. He said, I'll brush my teeth twice. He said that he brushes his teeth twice. Time and place references. Direct speech. Indirect speech. Now. Direct speech. Then. Indirect speech. Tomorrow. Direct speech. The next day. Indirect speech. Yesterday. Direct speech. The previous day, the day before. Indirect speech. Last night. Direct speech. The previous night, the night before. Indirect speech. Today. Direct speech. That day. Indirect speech. Tonight. Direct speech. That night. Indirect speech. Next week. Direct speech. The following week. Indirect speech. Here. Direct speech. There. Indirect speech. This. Direct speech. That. Indirect speech. These. Direct speech. Those. Indirect speech. Ago. Direct speech. Before. Indirect speech. Last week. Direct speech. The previous week, the week before. Indirect speech. Here are some other changes in verbs. Can, could, will, would, may, might, has have, had, must have to, had to. Reporting verbs. Say and tell are the most common reporting verbs. There is an important difference. Tell is always followed by a direct object, tell plus someone, that, plus reported statement. He told her that he was tired. Not. He told that he was tired. Say is not followed by a direct object, say, that, plus reported statement. He said he was tired. Or he said to me he was tired. Not. He said me that he was tired.